Hello and welcome to my channel. I am Pierre, and today I present you a fairly close translation of the galette from Britanny, which are crepes in the normal language, but in Britanny they call it galette. It's made of buckwheat flour and some oat bran. So here we have the buckwheat flour, which is the authentic flour used in Britanny for galette aka pancakes. I add a little oat bran to give some structure, bicarbonate. I use only one organic egg, about 50 grams, and sparkling water. No alcohol, no sugar, a pinch of salt maybe if you want. And I prepare another bottle of sparkling water in case I need. So I first dilute my bicarbonate with the sparkling water to create a reaction like fermenting reaction. I prepare a whisk to make sure that I blend everything properly. Oat bran was gonna give some fibers. Whisk it a little. Add my egg. One organic egg. Then eating the wrong. I'm gonna add my buckwheat flour a little bit in the beginning to not overcrowd the bowl. So you start to see the bubbling, and then finishing with this. And I'm gonna need a little more sparkling water that I prepared earlier in case I would need. Anyway, this galette batter is prepared at least half a day earlier prior to use, so the buckwheat flour is growing, the oat bran is also growing, expanding, absorbing some of the moist and creating more digestible fibers. This is definitely an alternative for the ones who are looking for less fatty calorie or sugars or things, because it's gluten free. And if you want to skip the egg, be my guest and replace this with some flax seeds that you pre-soaked. It will change a little bit the structure, the appearance, but it's so much for the better. Or psyllium musk a little bit, that you dilute a little in mineral water, and you have it for like 15 minutes, and then you bring it into your batter, and the day after you have something over the edge, because no eggs, no fat, and no sugar. So we'll wait until tomorrow and we'll do the demo for it. Hello and welcome back. Today I will show the way to spread the galette batter inside the pan to obtain a thin crepe-like, definitely complete with homemade jam if you like. This one is bergamot and lemon, as well as turmeric, and or any other things that are like pan-fried eggs or things. I mean, it's limitless. Before, I want to say that I added a little more water this morning to make sure there was more fluid and easily spreadable inside the pan, so we obtain a thin galette, which is more enjoyable, and we don't need a knife or a fork to eat. We just fold it with a bit of whatever chocolate or Nutella if you like, or jam, and then we eat it like this. It's a kind of street food that you can use your hands to eat. But I will lightly oil in order to not have a sticky. When this thing is warm, I'm gonna spread some of the butter we made yesterday. Don't spread too much because this thing is definitely gonna expand in the pan. And as you see, the butter is going very fine in all directions. Alright, and you wait until you start to see the bubbles appearing on the surface of the raw side. So like you see now, it's beginning to pan fry and be cooked. You have a beautiful galette. I'm gonna transfer it to our plate beside and begin with a new one. This is one of my favorite, all-time favorite, in front of pancakes and all, which are quite nice. They look like cakes and things, but this, you can eat 10 of them without feeling sick. As you can see, they are quite thin, and that's why you can eat up to 10 or more if you want, because they are not like feeding you, fooling you up. In some area in Paris, you can buy this kind of crepes almost anywhere, and it's a street food, and people use it as a, you know, when they need a snack while they are going somewhere and they want something to eat or to give their child. When they're walking around and the child is asking for something sweet, you give him this, a little bit of chocolate on there, and everyone's gonna be happy. So as you see, if your gas stove at home has 3 or 4 gas burner, so you can have 3-4 pans and do crepes like this. When I was a trainee, my first period in the kitchen, we were working with 7 pans of crepes, and it demands a bit of adaptation, but it's okay. Actually, I show you pan fried a few crepes, 4 in this instance, and I ate 2, and my girlfriend also. So we have like 4 left at the moment, but with the batter proportion that I gave yesterday, you make approximately this size 15 galettes or crepes. I don't eat much sugar, and I can roll it. I hope you enjoy this video tutorial and you got something out of it. Please try this recipe, very simple to do, just like do it 24 hours ahead, and then you'll be happy that you tried it, because the garnishes, fried eggs and cheese and jambon or whatever pastilma you want to put, it's all available to your own creativity. Please like and subscribe for more videos.